Hey everyone, running out of storage space on your Windows computer. Instead of deleting files randomly, TreeSize Free helps you identify exactly what's taking up space so you can clean up your storage safely and efficiently. In this full guide, I'll show you the entire process from scanning your drive to removing unnecessary files. So let's get started. First, open TreeSize Free from the Windows Start menu or your desktop. If you're scanning your system drive, it's recommended to click the application and choose Run as administrator. This allows TreeSize Free to analyze protected folders for a more complete storage report. Once TreeSize Free opens, click Select Directory and choose the drive you want to clean. Most users begin with the C drive. The scan starts automatically and may take a few moments depending on the size of your drive and the number of files it contains. After the scan finishes, TreeSize Free sorts folders by size. The largest folders appear near the top, making them easy to spot. Expand each folder to see what's inside and identify large downloads, videos, installers, backups, or other files you no longer need. Before removing anything, carefully review the contents of each folder. Focus on personal files that you recognize and no longer need. Avoid deleting Windows system folders, program files, or anything you're unsure about, since removing the wrong files could affect your computer. Once you've confirmed which files you no longer need, delete them using File Explorer or move them to another internal drive, an external drive, or cloud storage if you want to keep them. Moving large media files is a great way to free up space without permanently deleting your data. After finishing your cleanup, run another scan with TreeSize Free. Compare the updated results with the previous scan to see how much storage you've recovered. Regular scans make it much easier to keep your computer organized and prevent your drive from filling up again. And that's how to clean up storage with TreeSize Free. By identifying your largest files first and removing only what you no longer need, you can free up disk space safely without guessing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.